Heck yeah. Did not fall. Oh shit. Yep, that's me. You might be wondering how I got in this position and where I'm at right now.
Ooh. Day 4, all the way down from the top of the mountain. Ooh. Arms feel numb. Still don't see Dad. Ooh. Must have dusted him. Oh, that was fun. Thank you, Dad, for this trip. Thank you. Don't think I'll ever forget it. I love you, Dad. In the Red River Skiing Resort. Just got here after 1.5 days of driving. Spent a lot of time preparing for this, but now we're ready to shred some snow.
How was your first time on it?
It was good. Of course I did great. Nothing could get me down. So simple a little child could do it. I mean, really. Those Olympians, what are they complaining about?
All right, first time back in Red River in probably about 12 years. I'm pretty excited. Number one, still fit. Caden just made his first run on the snowboard, first run ever. So we got here yesterday, which was Monday. Caden's never been on a snowboard, so try to get some lessons. They don't offer them on Tuesday and Wednesday, so we're over here on the kiddie slope, or the learning slope, and I'll tell you what, Caden's doing pretty good. He watched a little YouTube last night to try to get some of the specifics down on riding the snowboard. Another thing that we did was we sat in front of the lift house and watched some guys coming over the face over there, snowboarders, how they were handling everything and what they were doing. What was funny was Caden saw some of the little kids coming through, said, "Oh, if they can do it, I can do it." I'm like, hold on there, dude. Lower center of gravity. Kids might only be 4, but they might have been doing this already for 2 years. So. you're ready. Caden, you said the Olympic at first. You said the Olympic
Athletes. First, I said they were just, like practically babies. What are they talking about? How hard it is. Then my first run down this mountain, hurt my butt, busted my lip, and my right foot started going numb in one run. So, I think I could do it given enough time. Another run or two, I think I could be on their level. But everybody has to start somewhere.
And so you started on the kiddie run. You moved up to the intermediate. Where are you headed to now?
Kiddie run.
Back to the kiddie run?
Kiddie mountain. Yeah. Hey. So this is day 2 of our skiing adventure. Yesterday was a training day, learning day. I do believe I've gotten a lot better though. Daddy didn't really need any training. He went all the way up on the mountain yesterday and came back down. Not all the way, but pretty high. So I'm hoping to do the same thing as him today.
Let's see, camera. All right, camera check. All right, got the Caden cam going. Got the Wade cam going. All right, button up, buddy. All right, let me see, come here. All right, that's okay. Problem. Oh! And off comes the Caden camp. and off comes the Caden camp. Okay. So unfortunately the Caden cam did not make it. Good? Day 3 and we finally made it up to halfway up the mountain. We've already made a run down. I had the Caden cam going. He's running a chest camera. And I don't mind telling you, he did a lot better than I did. I think my battery quit on me, but I don't mind telling you, I failed about 3 or 4 times. Shit, splits. Overthinking it, but this guy right here, he killed it. So we're just sitting on top of the mountain right now, halfway on the mountain, enjoying the view. Check this out. All right, last day in Red River, New Mexico. I'm on the lift going up to the top of the mountain. This is Platinum Chair. Caden is a couple chairs behind me. And we're gonna spend the day up here. It's a lot more crowded on the mountain today than it has been all week. And it's been a good week. Looking forward to today. Little girl in pink's going. Great. That's your target. Here you go.
Help me.
Want to take a break?
No. We're nearly there. Halfway down.
You want all the way down? Oh, you want to go to halfway and take a break? Is what I'm saying.
No.
You go all the way.
All the way.
Okay.
I'm in the mojo.
Truth is, I wanted to take a break.
No problem. Guess I should have waited till they cleared out. Ooh. Day 4, all the way down from the top of the mountain. Still don't see Dad. Ooh, must have dusted him. Is that him? Think it is. Yep. Hi.
Y'all having fun?